Good afternoon, this is Andy with Glockner Honda Toyota. Here's our 16 Ram 2500 heavy duty turbo diesel Cummins engine. It is in really good shape. Backup camera, trailer package. It also has the fifth wheel already in there. Spray-in bed liner. Tonneau cover, Trifecta 2.0. It's a nice one. If you have any other questions at all, hold on a second. Show you the inside here. It's in really good shape. If you have any other questions at all, please give me a call. It's got a remote start on it too, at 740-357-1353. Email me back, or again, my cell phone number is 740-357-1353.